Good morning, all. In today's session of Manufacturing Technology, we'll be starting Module 5. Module 5 deals with sheet metal operations. Sheet metal means a metal piece with thickness less than 6 millimeter. So normally we call a plate of metal as sheet metal if its thickness is between 0.4 millimeter to 6 millimeter. The cutting and forming operations performed on this thin sheet metals is known as sheet metal working. Usually, the operations performed in sheet metal are cold working because the force required for deforming or cutting sheet metal is very less. So we can easily do cold working operations. Sheet metal products, that means products made by sheet metal, is having wide variety of application. It is commonly used to make the outer bodies of automobiles and trucks, outer bodies of airplanes, railway cars, farm and construction equipments, small and large appliances, office furnitures, computers and office equipments. So most of the outer surface of components and machines are made by using this sheet metal. As you know, the aerodynamic principle of airplanes and automobiles depends on the outer surface. So the sheet metal working is very important. This slide shows some pictures of products made from sheet metal. We have already seen that sheet metal products are mostly made by cold working. So it is having several advantages like high strength, good dimensional accuracy, good surface finish, and also they can be made very cheaper, and it is also economical for mass production for large quantities. Now let us see various categories of sheet metal operations. The sheet metal operations can be categorized as first category is cutting or shearing operation. Here the sheet metal is subjected to a shear force and the sheet metal is cut or sheared. There is a metal removal. This category can be further categorized into blanking, punching, piercing, notching, perforating, trimming, etc. The second category is forming operations. In forming operations, there is no metal removal. Instead, the sheet metal is formed into various shapes. This forming operations can be further categorized into flanging, curling, wiring, tube forming, stretch forming, embossing, etc. And the third category of forming operation is bending operations. In bending operation, the sheet metal is bent into required angles, and angle bending is one um, operation coming under bending operation. Next category of sheet metal operation is drawing operation. Here the material is drawn to various shapes and products, and various categories coming under this session is cupping, redrawing, reverse redrawing, deep drawing, bulging, etc. And the next category is reducing operation. Reducing operations like ironing, necking, etc. comes under this category. So these are various classifications of sheet metal operations. Most of them or many of them we have discussed in earlier topics. The other those that we have not discussed will be discussed in further classes. So that's all from this class. In the next class we'll go in detail to this cutting or sharing operations. We'll be seeing one by one various cutting and sharing operations in the next class. So thank you for watching. Thank you.